Ipa!
Ladies and gentlemen, this next bout is for the 72-kilogram weight limit. Presenting you first, the fighter. Fighting out of the blue corner, representing Ultra Dynamic Fitness Gym. Please welcome Boxer Hayden Kurt Reyes. Supported across the ring on the red corner, representing the Northern Davao Boxing Team. Please welcome Marco Antonio Rabat. Referee is back. Referee Judge Rory Tata Suapong. Scoring at the ringside, National Referee Judge Ronald Tabraco. Romel Bungkap, Madame Flor Diaz, and J.R. Flor. This is a 2-minute period round contest, 1 minute and third. Next bout, prepare Santi Patito versus Ney Ismalia. Next bout, Santi Patito versus Ney Ismalia. Third is bout. Okay? And here we go now. We are now about to start the first round of this second review round amateur boxing contest. Okay. Okay, we're now calling the attention of all professional boxing boxers to please start now or begin now.
My God! Go, please, go! Go back! Go back ako! Go for the punch! Sige ka! Kill him! Go! Hawa! Go! Sige, go! Go for the lever! Go! Go! Shit! God, Go! Defense! Go, punch! Go, hangin!
Okay, pwede na makasunod sa
Score! Go, punch!
10 seconds more. 10 seconds. 10 seconds more. Silent. Okay, begin to hand-drops now. Yung mga professional boxers natin. Pwede na kayo mag-hand-drops.
Sabi ko walang hangin ni. Sabi ko always mag-run.
Next bout, winner name is Ismalia versus Santi Patito. Next bout.
Go!
We have 2 more bouts at one amateur and then we will go straight to our professional bout this evening. Okay? Duha na lang.
Go! Kaya mo yan! Go! Score!
Seconds out. Start of round number 2. Kurt Reyes in the blue corner.
Go,
Rabat
boys!
in the red corner.
Go, boys! Go! Go! Liver blow! Go! Go, upper! Sana! Go, hangin! Good! Shit! 23 points doon. Go score! Go! Wala na! Go! Don't press! Marco! Go! Score, Bang! Score!
Time. End of the second round.
Di ba dyan ako jogging ba? Nilagot dyan ko ba? Alam ko, jogging. Dyan. Wala na sila hangin doon. Ang problema, isang doon ng hangin. Marco, go!
Second
Go!
round.
God.
This is the third and final round.
Go, score, please, score! Go, punch! Punch, go! Last round! Go, last round! Please, go, go, sige, go! Go, punch, score! Punch, score, last round! Go, score, go! God, go, Marco, score! Marco, score! I said score! God! Ako pulin eh!
Kaya pa?
Isa ko! Go, score! Go, score! Yung giplay mo! Go, Marco! Stand up! Go, Marco, score! Go, last round na lang! Go! Go, Marco, go! Go! Marco! Marco! Hawa!
Okay. Bawal tulak ha, bawal tulak. Let's go, resume.
Marco, last round! Marco, last round! Marco, sige na!
Wala kayo pa na.
Sige na, Marco, score! Don't pull down! Marco, don't score!
10 seconds more.
Marco, score! I said score! Go, go! Go for punch! Marco, go for punch! For the punch!
Time out. That was the end of the third and final
Sabi ko,
round. And we
hangin. Wala
will
siyang hangin.
have to await the score of the three judges.
Yung isa ko.
The certificate of participation will be awarded by the National to the winner of the bout.
Wala si hangin duhaw.
Cup and certificate of participation to the two boxers. Congratulations once again. Thank you, everyone. And here are the score of the three judges. Is how they score. The fight goes to winner by unanimous decision, boxer from the blue corner. Congratulations. Maganda yung fight, maganda. Okay, picture. Okay. Maraming salamat. Okay, next time na po. Next time.
Relax, Wato. Tingnan ako siya.
Okay, kayo. Hindi mag-isalita ng award sa inyo ng Next bout, please prepare. Santi Balinjong versus